In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no service on your iPhone. It's a very simple method. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might be struggling to get service on your iPhone depending on what location you're in or just anything like that. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is swipe down on the very right on your control panel, and you just want to turn off your mobile data and just turn it back on again. Sometimes a simple fix like that can actually help. And if you want to reset everything, just turn on airplane mode for like 5 seconds and then just turn it back off again, and then check to see if you get signal, because sometimes, like I said, a refresh can just help like that. However, if that doesn't work, you can go over to your settings application. Mine is at the very bottom left. Once you press that, it's going to look something like this. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find general. So when you click on general, you want to scroll down from here until you find transfer or reset iPhone. So once you press this, you're going to see two options. One is reset and one is erase all content and settings. So what you want to do is you want to press reset. It's going to bring up a lot of options like reset all settings, network settings, eSIMs, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style, home screen layout, and location privacy. What you want to do is press reset network settings. From here, you're going to have to reconnect to your SIM, reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and any devices that you might have connected with your Wi-Fi. This is because it resets your network settings to the point where it seems like you just got a new phone and you have to redo all your network settings again. But after that, you should be good to go and you should have service on your iPhone. If that still doesn't work, try changing the area that you're in, because sometimes different areas, depending on what's happening around you, might have low connection and low service. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel.